I wanted to show y'all a quick trick when you're loading your bobbin that almost every tutorial I've ever seen seems to gloss over. First, you're going to thread through the little hole in the top of the bobbin. Okay, put it on, push it over. That's going to vary a little bit by machine. And then when you start to wind your bobbin, hold the thread straight up. It's like everybody else says, after a few. Now what they say is clip the thread, and they hold it up like this. Don't clip the thread like that. You're going to have a small piece flipping and flopping up here, and when you get to the end of your bobbin while you're sewing, it can get hung on the top thread and throw off your tension. So when you go to clip it, take your scissor thread snips, get as close as you can. Then finish winding the bobbin. Normally, I don't even clip it until it gets right to the end.